Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this 20-piece set of measuring cups. The set has everything you need for measuring, from plastic cups, which is 4 cups, 2 cups, and 1 cup. I love how they actually have the milliliters and your cups and the cute little colors on them. You can easily stack them up for storage, so that is wonderful. This is actually something pretty new that I haven't seen in any measuring cups. It's just a conversion chart. So you have all of your different cups from tablespoons to fluid ounces conversions. It's a magnet, so you can easily just stick it up on the refrigerator, ready to go for any other time from there. Then you also have stainless steel measuring cups and spoons. They do give you a little carabiner thing here to be able to stick them all in. So we're gonna get them all out and get them on the carabiner, and then we'll take a look at them. So I've got all the spoons out and all the cups. And these are fantastic because they all stack in nicely. They're stainless steel. Each one of them has this little divot right there for pouring, which is great. Absolutely love that. And that you can see the measurements from the inside because it's all engraved. So that is a really nice thing as well. It's nice because the engravings aren't going to wear off. So you have several different places that you can see those on. Stack up really nice. If you want to get one out, you just take the carabiner out and take out one separate one. And then your spoons are the same way. You do have a nice leveler. So when you are using your cups over here, you can just level off the top, know that you've got just the right amount. And each one of your spoons, it's kind of like a rectangle shape, which is kind of fun. That's different. And you've got all the 1/8, 1/4, half teaspoon, 3/4. I mean, you've got everything all the way up to your tablespoon. This is a great set to have in any kitchen for any baker, cooker, parent, anybody that enjoys cooking.